The Russian Federation Armed Forces continue the special military operation. In the South Donetsk direction, the armed forces of Ukraine units have tried unsuccessfully to counter-attack to regain lost areas near Novomikhailivka, Vladimirovka and Pavlovka. The armed forces of Ukraine have failed an attempt to attack Russian troops towards Novodarovka. Artillery strikes and the actions of assault groups have halted the Ukrainian units and drove them back to their initial positions. The enemy has suffered casualties of up to 70 personnel, 1 tank, 2 infantry fighting vehicles, 5 armored vehicles and 5 motor vehicles have been destroyed. In the Kupiansk direction, preemptive fire from artillery and heavy flamethrower systems at the Ukrainian areas of concentration of manpower has thwarted an attempt by the enemy to attack towards Kuzemovka of Lugansk People's Republic. More than 35 Ukrainian servicemen, 2 armored vehicles and 4 pickup trucks have been eliminated. In the Krasny Liman direction, the enemy has attempted to attack with 2 company tactical groups towards Golikovo and Chervona Popovka of Lugansk People's Republic. The enemy has been dispersed by artillery fire at the concentration areas. More than 20 Ukrainian servicemen, 3 infantry fighting vehicles and 1 armored vehicle have been destroyed. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized Ukrainian command posts near Shevchenkovo in Kharkov region, Krasny Liman in Donetsk People's Republic, and Kamyshevacha and Preobrazhenka in Zaporozhye region, as well as 54 artillery units at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 124 areas. The Ukrainian Armed Forces Sabotage and Reconnaissance Group has been eliminated while attempted to cross to the left bank of the Dnepr River near Dneprovskoye in Kherson region. In addition, a warehouse of weapons and military equipment belonging to the Ukrainian Armed Forces has been destroyed near Kramatorsk in Donetsk People's Republic. In the course of counter-battery warfare near Pilnaya in Kharkov region, 2 Uragan multiple launch rocket systems have been hit in firing positions, from which the territory of Belgorod region had been shelled. 5 unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down by anti-aircraft defense forces near Kremenaya in Lugansk People's Republic, Pokrovskoye and Makeyevka in Donetsk People's Republic, and Kakhovka in Kherson region. Moreover, 11 rocket-propelled projectiles launched by Uragan and Olkha MLRS have been intercepted near Strylecha in Kharkov region and Novotroitskoye in Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 333 airplanes and 177 helicopters, 2,543 unmanned aerial vehicles, 388 air defense missile systems, 6,743 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 901 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,607 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 7,302 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.